Welcome to the YouTube channel PCMB Tutorials. Today we are going to learn class 9th foundation and today's subject is chemistry, chapter 1, that is atomic structure. Today we are going to learn part 4 of this chapter. Let's start. First of all, we are going to start with biodata of an electron. Biodata of an electron. So, the discoverer of electron was J.J. Thomson. J.J. Thomson. So, J.J. Thomson. Then the mass, we'll see the mass, value of mass, first in grams. Value of mass is 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 28. Then mass in kilogram, 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31. Then it is mass in 1 AMU, mass in AMU, that is 0.0005486. Then with respect to hydrogen mass with respect to hydrogen mass is 1 by 1837. 1837. Then charge in coulombs. Charge in coulombs. Minus 1.602 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Then relative charge. Relative charge is minus 1 and E by M ratio, that means coulomb upon mass in grams ratio, that is 1.76 into 10 raised to 8 coulomb per gram. I hope you have understood the biodata. Now we are going to solve 2 2 questions based on this whole biodata. So the first question is, why cathode rays are produced only when the pressure of the gas inside the discharge tube is very low? Answer is, for the production of cathode rays, electricity should be conducted in the discharge tube and the atoms should undergo ionization. This is possible only if the pressure inside the tube is less. Hence, low pressure is used to produce cathode rays. Now, solving first question is, how many electrons make 1 CGS unit of mass? So we have to find the number of electrons that make 1 CGS unit of mass. The CGS unit of mass is gram, meaning 1 gram is equal to how many electrons? So this is the question directly. So let the number of electrons be x. Let the number of electrons be x. Then 1 gram is equal to x into mass of 1 electron. 1 gram is equal to x into mass of electron. Mass of 1 electron. So x would be equal to 1 gram upon mass of 1 electron, mass of 1 electron in gram. So x is equal to 1 gram upon 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 28 gram. So gram will get cancelled. This will get like 10 raised to 28 upon 9.1. And by simplifying, this will become 1.1 into 10 raised to 27. That will be equal to x. Like this. So 1.1 into 10 raised to 27 electrons make 1 gram. This is the question and we have got the answer. Now the second question is, question 2 is, Calculate the mass and charge of electrons whose number is equal to the number of calcium atoms present in its gram atomic weight. And repeat the question. Calculate the mass and charge of electrons whose number is equal to the number of calcium atoms present in its gram atomic weight. Hint is given that gram atomic weight of any substance contains 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. Now let's solve the question. Number of electrons is equal to number of atoms present in gram atomic weight of calcium. That is 6.023 into 10 raised to 23. Gram atomic weight of a substance contains 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. Therefore, we need to find the mass and charge of 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 electrons. So, first we'll take 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 into mass of one electron. So 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 into mass of one electron, that is 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 28. The answer after solving we'll get is 54.8093 into 10 raised to minus 5 gram. After simplifying, this should come the answer. This should be the answer. And in next case, there is 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 into charge of one electron. 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 into 1.60 1.602 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulombs. By simplification, we'll get the answer, that is 9.6368 into 10 raised to 4 coulombs, approx like this. So I hope you've understood this both questions. Afterwards, there is the F towards wonderful nature, fascinating modern science. So there is Newton's one story. Let's read it. It is, every idea, however silly or trivial it appears, has a great creative force packed in it. When Newton saw an apple falling, he started asking people around him, elders, peer group, etc., as why does an apple fall? They made fun of him and suggested, my dear Isaac, apples have been falling for centuries. They will fall even now and will continue to fall for centuries to come. Why are you bothered about the falling of apple? Simply eat them and enjoy. Newton's idea appeared quite silly, but it proved to be the foundation of modern science. Through the centuries, such simple questions have led to great discoveries. The basis for such curiosity is, in fact, not an attitude of irrelevant questioning, but one of analytical thinking. Great scientists have always wondered about the truth. They have wondered about every aspect of our existence. This curiosity created a fascination about the workings of the universe and everything it contains. This fascination drove these scientists to unveil the mysteries of nature, thus resulting in their great discoveries. So, it is the scientific curiosity which produced the architects of modern science. So, dear students, appreciate and express wonder at nature's fascinating things that surround you. This makes you resonate and fall in love with nature. Once this happens, nature itself will reveal her secrets to you. And this is how the most ordinary mortals become great scientists and remain immortal with their names. I hope you have understood till this. In next part, in part 5, we are going to learn discovery of protons by Goldstein, then properties of anode rays, biodata of proton. Like this, we'll learn many things in upcoming parts. Till that, I hope you have understood till this. For any queries and doubt, please join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Let's meet in next part with more interesting topic. Like this is the foundation of class 9th. We have covered the foundation of class 7th and 8th too. Please go and check through the description. You will get all the links available. I hope you have understood till this. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in next part. Thank you.